In the ever-expanding universe of work management tools, it can be challenging to pinpoint exactly where a particular software fits. Is it a glorified spreadsheet? A full-fledged project management system? A collaboration platform? When it comes to Smartsheet, the answer is a compelling blend of all three, with a strong emphasis on flexibility and scalability. As a project management expert, I've seen countless tools come and go, each promising to revolutionize how teams work. Smartsheet, however, has carved out a unique and powerful niche. It's best described as a work management and collaboration platform built on a highly intuitive, spreadsheet-like interface designed to manage projects, processes, and automate workflows at scale. Let's break down what that truly means and why it's a significant distinction. Beyond the basic spreadsheet. At first glance, Smartsheet looks remarkably like a spreadsheet. It features rows, columns, cells, and familiar spreadsheet functions. This visual familiarity is one of its greatest strengths, as it significantly lowers the learning curve for anyone accustomed to tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. However, to call it just a spreadsheet would be a disservice to its profound capabilities. Smartsheet takes the fundamental grid structure of a spreadsheet and infuses it with powerful project management, collaboration, and automation features that standard spreadsheets simply cannot offer. It transforms static data into dynamic, actionable work. Key characteristics and capabilities of Smartsheet. Versatile data management, the Smart Grid. Structured data. Unlike a free-form spreadsheet, Smartsheet encourages structured data input through various column types: text, numbers, dates, drop-downs, checkboxes, contacts, etc. This ensures data consistency and makes it easier to analyze and automate. Hierarchy. You can indent rows to create parent-child relationships, allowing you to break down large projects into smaller tasks and subtasks, visually representing project hierarchy. This is crucial for work breakdown structures, WBS, in project management. Formulas and functions. It supports a rich set of formulas, similar to Excel, enabling complex calculations, data aggregation, and conditional logic within your sheets. Multiple work views. This is where Smartsheet truly departs from a traditional spreadsheet. It allows users to visualize the same data in different formats, catering to various preferences and needs. Grid view. The classic spreadsheet layout, ideal for data entry and detailed task lists. Gantt chart view. Automatically transforms date-based data into interactive Gantt charts, complete with dependencies, critical path analysis, and milestones, essential for project scheduling and timeline management. Card view. Kanban visualizes tasks as cards that can be dragged and dropped across columns, representing different statuses, e.g., to do, in progress, done, perfect for agile teams or process workflows. Calendar view. Displays tasks and events on a calendar, ideal for visualizing deadlines and managing schedules. Timeline view. A newer view that provides a horizontal representation of tasks over time, useful for roadmaps and high-level planning. Powerful collaboration features. Smartsheet is inherently designed for team collaboration, enabling real-time teamwork regardless of geographical location. Shared workspaces. Teams can work on the same sheets simultaneously, seeing updates in real time. Row-level discussions and attachments. You can attach files and have discussions directly associated with specific tasks or rows, keeping all relevant context in one place. Update requests. Send automated requests to team members or external stakeholders to update specific cells or rows, streamlining data collection and status reporting. Proofing. For creative teams, it includes features for reviewing and approving digital assets directly within the platform. Workflow automation. This is a game changer for reducing manual, repetitive tasks. Smartsheet's automation engine allows you to set up rules to send alerts and reminders for upcoming deadlines, overdue tasks, or changes in status. Assign tasks automatically based on specific conditions. Request approvals. Automate approval workflows for documents, expenses, or project phases. Move rows. Automatically move tasks between stages, e.g., from in progress to completed. Record dates. Automatically stamp dates when a status changes. Reporting and dashboards. Site Smartsheet goes beyond simple data aggregation. Reports. You can create custom reports that pull filtered data from multiple sheets, providing roll-up views of projects, tasks, or resources across your portfolio. Dashboards. Sites customizable dashboards, called sites, provide a real-time, executive-level overview of key metrics, project health, team performance, and critical insights. These are highly visual and can include charts, gauges, and summary numbers. Integrations and ecosystem. Smartsheet integrates with a wide array of popular business tools, including Microsoft Office 365, Teams, Outlook, Excel, SharePoint, Google Workspace, Drive, Calendar, Slack, Jira, Salesforce, Tableau, DocuSign, and many more. This connectivity ensures that Smartsheet can act as a central hub for various workflows and data. Use cases and who benefits. Smartsheet's flexibility means it's used across a multitude of industries and for a wide range of purposes, including project management, its core strength. From simple task tracking to complex multi-phase projects with critical paths and resource allocation. Program and portfolio management. PPM scaling its capabilities to manage multiple projects simultaneously, aligning them with strategic objectives. Operations management. Streamlining daily operations, inventory tracking, event planning, and facility management. Marketing operations. Managing campaigns, content calendars, and creative workflows. IT service management, tracking tickets, managing change requests, and IT asset management. Sales operations, pipeline management and lead tracking beyond basic CRM. HR management, onboarding new employees, tracking training, and managing HR processes. It's particularly strong for medium to large enterprises that need a robust, scalable, and highly customizable platform for work management that can adapt to unique business processes. While smaller teams can use it, its full power is unleashed in environments with complex workflows and a need for cross-functional collaboration and reporting.